Hey everyone, and welcome back to Trees and Tailwags. Today I'm unboxing the Fall FabFitFun Box, as well a few items I bought on the Fall Edit sale. So stay tuned and we'll see all the goodies that I received. Alright, so the first item I received was of course from Masque. It's a Barkles Foodie Food Mat. I love the colors of it. It was actually only $14 for this, and I thought it was super cute to put underneath his food bowls rather than the black IKEA one I have. Next up, I have the Almostlamous mini travel dryer with carrying bag in the color Scarlet. This was a wonderful addition that I wanted to add on. I've been looking for a hair dryer, and this one was small, but it fits perfectly in the counter and works amazingly. My next add-on was the Denik Sketch Desk Pad and Vegan Leather Sketchbook. This was only $9 and it came with a nice pad that I can put a to-do list on, a sketch pad for doodles. It was super adorable, and when you purchase it, it actually helps put donations toward building schools. This is something I was super excited about. This is the Bentgo Lunch Box, and I got it in blue. This was only $7. It has 2 layers. It has one section that's completely full, the other is separated into compartments, and of course it comes with your own spoon, fork, and knife, and a band to keep it all together. It's perfect, dishwasher safe. I love it for lunches. This item was definitely the one reason I was doing the add-on sale. I've been looking for a curling wand, and this one I got from Foxybae. It's a black curling wand with a rose gold colored barrel. I'm very excited. I haven't used it yet, but I was looking for a curling wand forever, and this just seemed like the perfect add-on during the add-on sale. So those are just a few of my add-ons that come in. I get some early access to the sale. Next, I'm going to unbox the actual FabFitFun Box, so stay tuned. So as mentioned earlier, this is the Fall FabFitFun Box of 2020. Some fun facts about it is that they've replaced the standard bleached white box with a 100% recycled craft box, as well as replacing the inside tissue paper and air pillows with more 100% recycled craft paper. So this is more sustainable and a lot better for our environment, but we're still getting all the treats that we all love. One of the cool things about the new boxes as well is their new magazines are now made out of paper that can be recycled rather than the glossy film they used to use earlier on in the earlier magazines. This item I received in my last box, and I also received it again today. It is a $45 credit to a Bright Sellers. Unfortunately, I am in Canada, so this actually does not work for me as it is only valid in the States. Another thing I received is something where I can give friends or followers $15 off their first box. I'll post the link down below with the code where you can get that discount. This item is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk and Blind Date. It's enriched with coconut and is a highlighter, which I found really interesting because when I first opened it, I really just thought it was face moisturizer, so I was very excited to actually receive a highlighter and not more face moisturizers. This item is vegan, and I just thought the box was so adorable. It's shiny gold, kind of like a cow with a smiley face. Super cute. Yes, I was actually super excited to receive this. I am basic and love anything that is pumpkin spice. This is from Brioche, New York. It's a pedicure in a box duo. I do apologize if I said it wrong. It's made with pumpkin extract, and the fruit enzymes naturally exfoliate dead skin cells. It also has vitamin A, C, and E to help reveal radiant skin. We also received a coupon to get $80 off of HelloFresh. We're also really excited about that because we did have HelloFresh for a little while and then canceled it. It is very convenient to have. They do take about 20 minutes to prepare, sometimes a bit longer, but the food is amazing. When I first opened these items, I actually thought they were sugar cubes, but they are not. They are Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes and juice cleanse. They are just for leaving behind a yummy scent while exfoliating yourself with the sugar in them. I'm not a huge fan of face creams, however hair creams are one of my favorite items to receive. This is from Nexxar Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. It's to restore dull hair from the scalp to strands using a keratin technology in argan and prickly pear oils. I've been using my other hair mask I received in the last box, so this will be good to use when I finish that and to see how it works with my hair, which is usually pretty dry since all I do is straighten it. I specifically requested was in my box. They are the Nexxar Sunglasses Blue Light Blocking Glasses in brown tortoise. They block the blue light from my computers, and since I'm in school and work from a computer most days, they actually help with my headaches and any light from my computer that was hurting my eyes. I found these blocking glasses to be adorable. I've been using them ever since I got them, and I do find that they help. You can actually see the screen color change colors when you put them on. I also found they look kind of like knockoff Ray-Bans, which is a plus. This item is from Beyond Yoga. It's a hidden pocket infinity scarf. It's lightweight and it actually has a hidden zipper where you can keep your phone or other items. You can put your wallet. It's actually a pretty big pocket. I found it very comfortable to wear. I wore it the other day because it was a little chilly out, and it actually has a good weight to it where it actually keeps you pretty warm. This next item I received is called a Trigger Backpack. It is something I specifically asked to be in my box again. However, I did find that it was a bit smaller than I expected. It does say it's a multifunctional, and I do think a lot of people enjoy it. However, I was hoping it would hold water bottles and treats and cups for walks with Max through the forest. However, I did find it a little small. Also, I did find that the shoulder straps, even when I loosened them the most, the backpack still sat really high on my back, and it was just kind of awkward. This item I was not expecting and was actually super excited to receive. It's a Mason's Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in the color turquoise. It's made out of glass and holds up to 20 ounces. It also has this blue turquoisey holder to keep your drinks cold, and so you don't actually hold the glass directly maybe. I found it super adorable, and I love using reusable items, especially if they are not plastic. So this actually came really in handy. It was a nice surprise at the end of the box. And that's everything that I received in my fall FabFitFun Box, as well as the add-ons that I put on during the add-on sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do stay tuned for more videos. I do have a winter box coming soon, and maybe I'll do some add-ons for that as well. And like always, if you enjoy these unboxings and the adventures I have with Max, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for much more.